How to fix the finals not launching would not launch error. First step, completely close the finals and Steam application, restart your device, then move on with next step. Click settings, click Windows Update, click advanced option, click optional update and check for any drivers update available or not. If available means update it. Next step, search for Steam, open it, click library, click the application, right click, click properties, click install files, click verify integrity of the game files and wait for some time. It's actually verifying the game files. Sometimes the corrupted or missing files can cause us issue, so we are verifying the game files. The verification is completed. After click general option, enable the Steam overlay while in game is there. You need to disable and check it. If the problem still remains means you can revert back it. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Steam and the finals application. It should be enabled in both private and public, both Steam and the finals application. If it's not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive, program files, Steam folder. Then go to Steam app folder. You get the finals application and scroll down and get the Steam application. Click it and add it. Once adding, after enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side and close it. Next step, search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters, expand it, right click, click update driver. You can update the driver by using this method, or else you can check the drivers here and go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. In the next step, click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Click check for update, and if there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then go to graphic settings, scroll down, open the finals application. The GPU preferences depends on you, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Then click Steam application. The GPU preference is depends on you. You can set depends on your device. Optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If the application not having means you need to click add desktop app and add the application by using this. Once complete, after restart the device. Thank you.